Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make instant miso soup. Miso paste, a fermented soybean product, is the heart of this savory dish, offering a rich umami flavor. You can choose white, yellow, or red miso, depending on your preferred intensity. The essential base is dashi, a traditional Japanese broth. We'll also incorporate common additions like soft tofu, delicate seaweed, and fresh green onions to enhance both flavor and texture. First, let's craft our dashi base. Combine 4 cups of water with 1 piece of kombu seaweed in a pot. Heat this gently, being sure to remove the kombu just before the water reaches a boil. This prevents any bitterness. Next, add about 1/2 cup of katsuobushi, or bonito flakes, after the kombu is out. Simmer for just 30 seconds, then strain the dashi to achieve a beautifully clear and flavorful broth. Now, let's combine our key ingredients. Ladle about 1/2 cup of your warm dashi into a small bowl, then add 2 tablespoons of your chosen miso paste. Whisk this mixture until the miso is completely dissolved, ensuring a smooth, lump-free consistency. Next, add 1 cup of cubed silken tofu and 1/4 cup of dried wakame seaweed to your dashi. Gently heat the entire soup, but it's crucial not to let it boil, as this can diminish the miso's delicate flavor. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious instant miso soup. Garnish each individual serving with 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and a hint of freshness. Serve the soup immediately in small bowls to ensure you experience it at its optimal temperature and flavor. Miso soup is traditionally enjoyed as a comforting side dish alongside your main meal. Remember, you can always adjust the miso quantity to achieve your perfect flavor profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.